Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we shall continue with the addition of dimension lines to this structure. In the previous video, we added the line weight as well as made use of a few of the drawing tools from the AutoCAD ribbon. To be precise, the offset command and the trim command. And that was why we're able to shapen the walls of the drawing plan. And so let's look at how we can produce the dimension of this floor plan. And so before we start off, don't forget to share this video and also like and subscribe to my channel. Now, before we can go ahead to produce the dimension, earlier on in the first part of this video, we had produced a layer for the dimension, which we can source from this region here. And so we can see that we already have this layer for dimension. Now I have to click on it so that whatever I draw should have the features that have been apportioned to the layer. And so for me to produce the dimension, I can access this dimension button and click. And because I want to determine the length of this wall, first I'll click and click on this second portion and then bring it out. But then there is something wrong somewhere. As you can see, there is no indication showing that the dimension is visible. And so to correct this anomaly, there is a need for the dimension style to be adjusted. And so we could source it two ways. Either we get to annotate button, click on this arrow here, a dialog box is expected to appear, and in order to make adjustments, there's a template here. In order to make the adjustment, to click on modify, and from the modify button, let's first start with the symbols. Let's adjust or change the arrows. Let's use oblique, and let's shift arrow size to about, let's say, 180. Let's adjust break size T. Then let's go to the line feature. Now because for this video we are making use of the layer command, so let's set our color by layer. See, it has appeared the green color for the dimensions which we had earlier assigned. For the line type, let's click by layer. Line weight, let's click by layer. Then let's adjust this, extend beyond ticks 180. Baseline spacing, let's take it as 180. Then for the extend beyond ticks, take it as 180. Also, offset from origin, let's take it as 180. Then for the text size or text height, let's set our text style to standard. The text color by layer, Then the text height, let's take it to 200. Now, as you can see, all the features are showing. Then let's go to the primary units. From the precision, you can see that it has already been set to 4 decimal places. We don't really need that for now because we are dealing with millimeters. So let's set it to 0 so that the um, decimal points will be removed. So let's click OK and set current closed. So as you can see, the dimension is showing. So we could also bring out this inner part just to be sure of the correct dimension that had been apportioned to it. So let's click on dimension again. Let's from this point and then bring it out. And there we have our point, our dimension. Let's also look at the horizontal part here. Let's bring out our dimension again. Let's hit this. We need to bring out 3 of these dimensions. So let's start with click this. So there you have it. So we have all our dimensions for this structure being displayed. Don't forget to click the like button and also to subscribe for this channel and also share with friends for more educative videos. And so thank you for watching and look forward to having you in my next video. Bye for now.